yazi i-trust ngangiyithatha kancane until one day ngaba kwi-hearing ne-employer yami bangixosha. Mengixoshwa ngi-appeal i-case because babe ngisukele empeleni. Story for another day. So mengi-appeal i-case bethi okay still basazongixosha. No man, i-reason yokuthi bengixoshe bethi the trust between the company and myself has suffered irreparable damage. So for that reason bakwazi ukungigcina ngaxoshwa. Ngayi-aphila, ngayiwina i-case, but kwaqhubeka kwathi okay ngenxa yakulokho still though angikho guilty. Yeah. Kwakuthiwe ngangikho guilty, but the trust has suffered irreparable damage. So ngeke ngisakwazi ukugcina, yabo, ngaphuma kanjalo. But ngafunda ukuthi hayibo i-trust ijule ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi inkampani yakwazi ukuthi ikuxoshe ngenxa yokuthi nje akusekho ukuthembana phakathi kwenu. Ngabona ukuthi hayi ngafunda okusha ngempela lapho. And recently kade in business nenye company ela eduze nami, ngithi ngibapha ibhizinisi, ngisupport locally, but i-turnaround time yabo ingiphoxe kakhulu. All along bese ngitshele kudala ngiyazi angiphinde ngibuyele kulabantu. Kube ngiyakwazi ngabe sicela nibuyise imali yami, cut ties, but ngiyazi mase uqala ukuthi ngicela kubuyiswa imali suyiphathela i-stress nje lapho, suyibizela nge-stress because imali yakho ngeke uyithole imali yakho, amalahla wabuyele edandi. So nje ngiyabona even in business nami going forward fanele ngibe nale mentality ukuthi rather under promise and over deliver than to over promise and under deliver. And i-transparency yave ibalulekile kwama-customer. Kufanele i-customer lakho uhlezi uli-inform, ulazise nje ukuthi yini eyenzalayo, at what stage are you, if kuthi there's a service umdelivela yona. So naba futhi